How to reset the ESC, Electronic Stability Control. Warning light is the ESC warning light glowing on your dashboard. Before heading to a repair shop, there are a few things you can try yourself. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. Today's video could save your engine, your tires, and your wallet. So make sure you stick around till the end because you do not want to miss this. Method 1. Disconnect the battery. Start by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. Leave it unplugged overnight, then reconnect it the next day. This can sometimes reset the vehicle's computer and clear the ESC warning light. Method 2. Check your owner's manual. Many vehicles have a specific procedure for reinitializing or resetting the electronic stability control system. Check your owner's manual for instructions before attempting any reset. Method 3. Use an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. This is the quickest and most reliable way to find out why the ESC light is on. Here's how to do it. Locate the OBD2 port under your dashboard. Plug in the diagnostic scanner. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Access the ESC and ABS anti-lock braking system menus. Scan for trouble codes and identify any faulty components or system issues. The diagnostic codes will help pinpoint the exact cause of the warning light, allowing you to determine the proper repair. Before attempting any repairs, consider whether the issue is something you're comfortable handling yourself. Ignoring the root cause of an ESC warning light can affect vehicle safety and lead to more serious problems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching, drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.